Okay, so this right here is the main unit. So this needs to be strapped to whatever motorcycle you have, and you can strap it to any motorcycle. Even if you have a rack system or no rack, it'll work. This is basically a shell that you attach to your bike and it'll stay there permanently. Once this is installed, you have all these sleeves, one on each side, to slide your dry bags inside. And what's good about that system is you can leave this on the bike, and when you're at the hotel or your campsite, you easily slide out your dry bags on each side or the duffel that's on top, and you're on your way.